M parent of a Colombian national visa. Frequently asked questions and everything you need to know. If you have a child and wish to obtain the M parent of a Colombian national visa, this video is for you. We understand that this process can raise many questions, which is why we have compiled the most frequently asked ones and will provide you with clear and updated answers to help you navigate your application smoothly. Here are the key questions we will answer. Can I apply for the M parent of a Colombian national visa if my child has not been born yet? If my child is born in Colombia and both parents are foreigners, does the child automatically acquire Colombian nationality? If my child is Colombian, can both parents apply for the M parent of a Colombian national visa? Do I need to prove financial stability to apply for the M parent of a Colombian national visa? Can I work in Colombia with the M parent of a Colombian national visa? How long is the M parent of a Colombian national visa valid? Does the M parent of a Colombian national visa allow me to apply for permanent residency? Do I need other parents' permission to apply for the M parent of a Colombian national visa? If I am in another country, can I apply for the M parent of a Colombian national visa? Can I apply for the M parent of a Colombian national visa if my child has not been born yet? No. This visa is only available for parents of a Colombian nationals by birth. To apply, your child must be born and officially registered as a Colombian citizen. You must submit the civil birth certificate as part of the application. If your child has not been born yet, you will need to wait until their official registration. If my child is born in Colombia and both parents are foreigners, does the child automatically acquire Colombian nationality? It depends. According to Colombian nationality laws, if at least one parent has held a migrant visa, that's an M visa, for at least 3 years at the moment of the birth, the child can acquire Colombian nationality at birth. If one parent holds a resident visa at the moment of the birth, then the child is automatically recognized as a Colombian. If both parents are foreigners and neither meet these requirements, the child will not acquire Colombian nationality by birth. If my child is Colombian, can both parents apply for the M parent of a Colombian national visa? Yes. If both parents are foreigners and meet the requirements, both can apply for the M visa for the parent of a Colombian national by birth. Each parent must submit their own visa application and comply with all the required documentation. Do I need to prove financial stability to apply for the M parent of a Colombian national visa? Yes. To obtain this visa, you must demonstrate that you have sufficient financial resources to support yourself in Colombia. For this, you must provide bank statement from the last 6 months, proof of stable income that demonstrates your financial solvency. Can I work in Colombia with the M parent of a Colombian national visa? Yes. The M parent of a Colombian national visa allows you to live and work in Colombia. It is important to check the latest regulations from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs as conditions may change. How long is the M parent of a Colombian national visa valid for? The M parent of a Colombian national visa can be granted for up to 3 years. To maintain your immigration status and apply for residency later, you must comply with all immigration regulation and reapply for the visa before it expires. Does the M parent of a Colombian national visa allows me to apply for permanent residency? Yes. After 2 years with the M parent of a Colombian national visa, you may be eligible for applying for the resident visa, as long as you meet all the additional requirements set by the Colombian immigration authorities. Do I need other parents' permission to apply for the M parent of a Colombian national visa? If the Colombian parent does not consent to the visa application, you must present a certification from the family authority. This document must confirm that there are not protective measures issued against you and that you have fulfilled your parental obligations. If I am in another country, can I apply for the M parent of a Colombian national visa? Yes. you can submit your visa application through the online platform of the Colombian Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Ready to start your process? Now that you know everything about the Parent of a Colombian National visa, you're ready to begin your application. Do you need professional assistance? Our team is here to help. Fill out the form on our website and we will contact you. Do you have more questions? Leave them in the comments and we will answer them in a future video. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay informed about visas and immigration processes in Colombia.